Today is December 5th of 2023, and this is the SEEtwothelos thoughts on the market. So let's jump right into it. The first thing we're going to look at is going to be the market data on our MLS. Again, this is all the information that is tracked by the Tucson Association of Realtors, and it tracks all of our realtor data here. So if we look at sales price, we saw sales price peak like we talked about, and we're starting to go down a little bit. This is very, very common around this time of the year. Usually you see the same thing happen. You start to see a downtrend here, just like we did in 2022, see December, then we hit a bottom in January because we had such few transactions in December that it leads to a little bottom in January, and then we're up again. So same thing is happening here. November's here, we'll probably expect December to go down here, and then we maybe see January. The key thing is gonna be, will January be higher than this 325 figure? If January is higher than this 325 figure, then you probably missed your opportunity to buy low. You already missed it if that happens, but we might just see it dip right below it. And if that happens, then we don't know what's gonna happen. It could still continue to go down, or it could go up. So that'll be an interesting thing to look at here. So days on the market, we went all the way up to 31 days on the market last year around the same time that the market went all the way down. We went around 30 days. And now, look, we don't see the same pattern that we saw last time. Oh, actually, look, see, last time we were on an uptrend this whole time, and right now we're not in an uptrend. So it's looking like we're turning around, and obviously the market is not looking amazing right now, but it looks like it's turning around based on all these stats. New listing, we're down on new listings, which is this always happens around December. Look at that, we always hit a low in December, and the data isn't tracked for December yet. We only got November right now, but I expect to see something similar to this. And again, how low we go is going to be a big indication of where the market is at. So pending sales, like I talked about, pending sales go down. There you go, we're starting to go down, and that will lead to closed sales also going down. And so this is all par for the course around this time of the year. As you can see, we always hit a low point. This is normal in this time of the market. So if you're a buyer, this would be a great time to try to get a discount, try to get closing costs. If you're a seller, this would be a good time to be patient. This would be a good time to not take a discount, because what's likely to happen is at the beginning of the year, the market rallies and you'll get your house sold at the price that you're at, hopefully, if you're not too high in price. Okay, so the next thing we're going to look at is going to be the interest rates. So interest rates, we'll look at trading view here. I like to use the 10-year treasury bond, because the 10-year treasury bond usually tracks about 300 basis points or 3% higher than whatever this is. So as you can see, an interesting thing here, this is a 5-year, let's see, is this a 5-year scale? So here's the 5-year scale. So this isn't a 5-year time frame. So as you can see, I was already kind of drawing some lines here, because this right here, this line would indicate that we've never really gotten past, you see how there's a lot of activity right down this line. So this would be our first indication that interest rates are going, or our second indication that interest rates are going down. Our first indication that interest rates are going down are this right here. Look at this. Look at that. So this right here is important, and this is why, because this is the first indication of a trend change, and this is dating back from December of 2021, which is 2 years ago. And so we've been trending on this line. So we pretty much were trending on this line, which was scary. Everybody was talking about it. And then when we started trending on this line, it was ultra scary. And right now we're ultra scared until this breaks. And look at what just happened. We just broke it a week ago. This is, each one of these is a weekly candle. And so you probably started hearing everybody say, oh, interest rates are going down. And that's because we're breaking this. However, we're not out of the woods yet. This could bounce up. We could also come down to here and continue to trend upwards. And so we could also break down here and continue to break upwards. For me, I know that we're fully out of this high interest rate environment once we break this line. So anyway, that's the state of the market right now. If you guys have any questions at all about any of this stuff, feel free to call me, direct message me, or come into my office and let's talk real estate. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.